What's good, y'all? It's HB Punch and Profit. Let's break down today's price action in the NASDAQ. It is December 18th, 2024. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below if you have any questions. Massive move for 1,000+ points. If you're someone who likes to leave runners on, you would have had a very merry Christmas. I, something to think about, man. I need to start leaving runners. I usually don't do that. I like to take my money and run 2 to 1 risk to reward or 1 to 1, and I tend to get out. But moving forward, I'm definitely going to start practicing on leaving a runner because if this was an A+ setup, and we'll get into it, and I'll show you how you could have made a killing if you left a runner on, which I didn't. But food for thought. All right, so let's start off here. It was roughly at the 9:30 opening. At this point in time, okay, when we come down here and we hit some sort of higher time frame level of interest or PD array, right? I'm bullish for the moment. That doesn't mean I'm bullish for the rest of the day. I was actually bearish, more bearish for the day because this was the A+ setup, but I needed to wait till we came back up to a certain level, okay, which was up here for me to become bearish and take a signal, okay. So at this point in time, when we're coming down here, okay, I might be bullish for the moment. There might be a move if there's a clean setup, which there was. We come down here at the 9:30 opening. After the 9:30 opening, you get this nice inversion. We get the advanced market structure shift at the blue line. This offers you 94 points, 2 to 1 risk to reward, or 1 to 7. Excuse me. Offers you 1 to 7. Okay, still very good. 94 points. Now, could be a bigger risk to reward depending how you manage your stop. Maybe you want to put it just below the gap. Maybe you want to put it at the end of the gap. Okay. Or the inversion, I'm sorry. Maybe you want to keep it tighter, but sometimes you're going to get stopped out if you do that. It's just up to your discretion how you like to manage risk. If you keep it tighter, you just got to accept that sometimes you are going to lose trades. You just have to accept you're going to lose a lot of trades, but when you win, you're going to win big. You're going to have a nice R&R, okay? Or you can just lower your leverage, put it at the low, and let that be that. Okay, that would have offered you at least low-hanging fruit here, as you see. Now, I was bearish for the day. I was just waiting for the right move up to a level of interest, point of interest, which was here. We get up here, we get this beautiful inversion, we get an advanced market structure shift. Then we start running down. We hit our target fairly easily for a 2 to 1, as you see right here. Okay, and if you move your stop up to break even after you hit your target and you had a runner on, say like you had 2 contracts, you took one off at the 2 to 1, left them with the one running, guess what? You'd have been just fine. And if you just let it run for the rest of the day or the session, especially if you have a prop firm and you got to close your account out somewhere around 410, then you would have made some crazy money. So something I'm definitely going to start practicing moving forward is leaving a runner and either just keeping my stop where it is or bring it to break even when I hit my target, because that is just too hard to think about missing again if you ever get that opportunity. But this is HB Punch and Profit. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Peace.